Well, there's Boris. He's chasing something, maybe a mouse. Not sure. Everybody else is here. Come on, buddy. Yeah, Mama's got you food. Come on, good boy. Good morning. Good morning. It's only 44 here this morning. That is really cold for a day in May for us. I just got to tell you, Don said he thought it was the coldest Mother's Day ever. I can't say that I disagree. Well, this is the last full week of school. Hi, bud. Hey, Donnie. She's still clean.
Yeah, she's still doing good.
We made it through the weekend and we still didn't get her dirty. Yay!
Well, we gotta keep her clean till Thursday.
Right, so you don't have to clean her for Thursday. I need to vacuum though inside the driver's floor. You know, that crap in the spring gets on, but the WeatherTech mats just, it's no big deal, but I need to vacuum.
I understand.
That's my job.
Yeah, well, she's the inside girl.
Yeah. Well, Lisa's gonna recover into the 60s today. Because yesterday I'm not sure that we really made it over 50. It was very cold. Don says he wants to walk this afternoon instead of this morning. He's got a deliverable he'd still like to work on and finish up before 11 a.m. So, okay. That means I can take Michelle the cheesecake sooner than later. She's so sparkly. I like it. Good morning, Ruby. It's bright out there this morning. After we turn up 401, it won't be so bad. So I noticed on Friday the gas prices were at 409. Johnny's telling me this morning they're at 420. Gonna look here at the sheets. I'm sure the one in Fuquay was 420. This one says 410. They're definitely inching back up there again. I guess that means the surplus action, the Ukraine crisis, war, not resolved, several issues causing the prices to go up again. Just a little Pokemon here at St. Monica's, and I do have the cheesecake loaded up so I can stop by Michelle's house on the way back home. Not planning on staying, just get one of the kids to come out and grab the cheesecake. As with most mornings, I've seen several Teslas downtown. So I'm on Old Stage Road. I haven't been down past Vance Elementary and the turnpike construction over here in a few months. This is slightly faster going to Michelle's house than 401 into Fuquay and east on Highway 42. But here's one of the overpasses. Interesting. I'm sure that's made school drop off and pick up a little challenging. The school's only about a half a mile away from that overpass. That's where my boys went to elementary school, because I'm in Willow Spring now. Well, there's Mr. Balls. It's not open yet this morning. It's 8:20. It is a little early. This is Barber Bridge Road. Boy, did I used to spend some time over here shooting photographs. It's a lot of wildflowers would be up along the side of the road, and interesting birds, and I could hike over here from my old house. Yeah. This and John Adams. This one was paved much sooner than John Adams was paved, but has not developed up as quick. Supposed to be a Wake County Park coming in over here in some of this farmland. Not sure exactly when that's going to happen. There was a spot there on the right where there was some clearing, but it looked like for a single house versus something else. Don't know. Ranch. That's the other spot I know in Wake County that had mountain laurel. I love it. We've got Crystal Lake, Friday the 13th stuff over here, and we've got Groot over here. Now they are celebrating Friday the 13th. As a matter of fact, we've been invited over for a little graduation party for Devin. So this is the house with the woman that takes care of the kitties in this neighborhood. I don't know how many there are, but I see 4 faces on the front porch. Cuties. All right, quick trip into Walmart. I'm gonna get 1 bag of dirt that I did not get yesterday and just look around the garden center. I did open up the cream I got yesterday, so I really did need to come out, but I've got time this morning since we're not walking. All right, that's the pot, the dirt, and the plants I got at Walmart. It's, you know, only 50 and breezy, and it's just not nice in the shade. It might be okay in the sun. I got a couple of pieces of yard art sculpture stuff that's upstairs in the garage. So I think 3 or 4 trips and I can get that down and put out. I've still got bigger pieces under the house to pull out, but I need Non's help for that. So I figure I'll walk the stairs and get a little exercise and it'll warm me up. Hey, bud. I'm not after you. Feel free to go with your buddies. I'm out here still putting up the fairy garden stuff, and Gray decided to come visit Tux. She's watching for those boys, though. I'll protect you. I tell you, when I'm out here, you're totally safe, because I ain't gonna let them mess with you. Right, Tux? I bet Tux won't let them mess with you, too. The closer you stay to Tux, the safer you'll be. Oh, I didn't want you to go. Oh, no, here comes Marty. She doesn't like you. She's worried about you. Probably needlessly so, but still. So there's lots of little things that I did, but that's sort of one of the main things. You'll see some of the figurines that are out. My hair got caught on the tree. Snapped my head back, but it didn't hurt. And then over here around the lid to the septic system, I've put a few things out, and there's little stuff here and there. I added I guess a barn to this one winter fairy garden pot, but I think I've decided to leave that alone, at least for now. And FedEx just brought my pot. Let's go look. There it is. Blue gray, gray blue, 24 inches. I like it well enough. It's what I thought it was. I like the 2.5 by the back bench there by the back door better. They have some pattern on them, but I like this plenty fine. So that's my plan for the 1 pot and maple tree. And then I think the other one's gonna go on this corner. So it'll kind of be a line. He's going over there to mess with Stripe. I already told him no about 10 times. No. Nope, not happening. Anyway, it'll kind of be a line across the back of the yard, more or less. All right, I came up here and planted the last thing up at the street that needed planting. My color choice might not be perfect up here, but it'll all look pretty. So last night, I had a message from a friend you guys know, who might be driving through today and have time to stop in. I think this person's is going to be here in just a few minutes. I'm excited. Don just unplugged Jules, and the person that's coming wants to charge, but they need the J1772 adapter.
That's right.
Hello, hello.
With the mobile UMC, the mobile charger that came with the Model X.
7.4. Well, yeah, so what's going into it might be 7.4. So what the card's showing is what's actually making it into the battery pack.
That's right.
And so it could be running from, say, doing it. So taking a look at some charging efficiency stuff here, you can see we're delivering just about 7.7 kilowatts to the car. And actually just a bit above that is what...
So
So taking a look at some charging efficiency stuff here, you can see we're delivering just about 7.7 kilowatts to the car. And actually just a bit above that is what's flowing out of that port right there. Of course, there's always losses in transmission a little bit, but then if we take a look at the inside of the out, it looks really good. All right, so I'll walk around and take me on a tour of the car, the options, the spec. Hey, Marianne, how's it going?
Hey, well, I'm having a great day today since you stopped by to visit.
Well, I'm glad to be here. I'm glad we get to make a video with Ruby.
I barely filmed anything while they were here. I'm so sorry. First off, we only had about 50 minutes at the most, and Kyle filmed a little bit for his channel, so I wasn't filming while he was filming, obviously, because we don't need competing audio. And then he got this idea, which I love, to have a out of spec reviews, a 100K on the Model X 100D, and he'll put up his video about the same time I put up Ruby's video. We're at 97,260 now. We'll be hitting 100K really soon. I'm telling Michelle and the kids we're going to be making several trips all over the state here at the end of May and the beginning of June, so we can get the rest of these miles on Ruby. And anyway, so we took a little drive, and he did a lot of filming, and so I didn't do a lot of filming. But it was so great to see Kyle and Alyssa, and yeah, I'm just tickled pink. But I'm on my way downtown now, trying not to be too late. Well, it's up to 71 out there now. Kyle and Alyssa couldn't have picked a prettier day to visit Carolina. Over to the school at 2:18. That'll be just in time to load Johnny up and then drive to the regular high school building and pick up his friend and the other student. All right, Jules, we'll be back. I'm home with Johnny. He's at the house, and we're gonna go for our walk. So Kyle was here, and I think I filmed like 30 seconds twice.
Yeah.
I let him do all the filming.
Yeah, you'll see us on his channel, I guess.
Right. Well, it looks like they're ready for ball games tonight. We're on our first lap. We can't decide if we want to be hot or cool. Just depends on if we're in the sun or the shade this afternoon. All right, this is lap 2.
Big 2-0. 2.
I was just showing that there's a few people up here, but not a ton. But I'm sure it'll get busier when it's time for the ball game.
Yeah, I want to go.
Well, the pretty magnolia tree is opening up more blossoms. Well, I know you can see the one bunny moving, but where's the second bunny? It's awful dark. Here's the second bunny. Hi.
Yeah, he hopped up into the wood.
You know what time it is? Yeah, statuary, yard art.
Yard art.
It's under the. It's behind this door.
Behind this door.
Yep.
It's that time.
It's actually drops off pretty low down there, and it hurts my back even more than Dawn's. But it's really a two-person job.
Yeah, because somebody stands in the doorway.
And pass it in and out.
Go
Yep.
in and out.
All right, this is the stuff that is out.
Yeah. It's all made out of concrete.
All right, I had Dawn carry out the whole fountain this year instead of just the top. Maybe we'll try to get it going. And one gazing globe. And that's roughly where one of the Japanese maples is going to go, but I don't think we're going to fool with that today. I don't want to overwork Dawn. It's already 5:40. We're hungry. I put out my solar fairy garden house. I love that thing. It lit up every night last summer. It was really pretty. I got Tux's summer water bowl put back out. Need to go get some water. And the blue fountain upstairs, I'm for sure going to put it out. I'm not sure about any of the other fountains this year though. Another gazing globe. Actually 2 over here, and the fairy. So everything's out.